I was going for a minute, now I'm back to jump off. Okay, no. That's not how I want to begin this. All right. So I was on this really, really, really great health and wellness journey. I was doing good. I was exercising. I was eating my greens. I was just reading the Bible, doing my meditation, stretching, yoga. I mean, the works, you name it. And then life happened. It did. It happened to me. And as the stresses increased, so did my sugar intake. And as the worry increased, so did the carbs. And as the anxiety got heavy, the yoga stopped. And as the world started to come against me, the meditation decreased. And I know, it's counterproductive. It's just something that you just don't do. It's when you get stressed, you want to increase the yoga and increase the meditation and increase the healthy foods and do all the things that are going to be combative towards all the things that are happening in your life. But the reality is sometimes it just doesn't happen that way. Sometimes your stress load increases the habits or bring out the habits that are most defective towards your health and wellness. It was definitely a awareness piece for me to see how I respond to stressful situations. How many of us respond to stressful situations? But you know what? I will not allow it to get the best of me. So for the next 30 days, and I don't want to regret that I say this, but I am going to go on this complete detox and rebuild, re-strengthen, and realign. That's the journey, to rebuild, re-strengthen, and realign. Join me if you want, but I'll let you be my accountability. Help me to help you, to help me to get back on track. Because you might not need it. I need it though. You might not need it, but I need it. So help me to help you to help me to get back on track. Just don't beat me down. I'm sensitive. Okay? So we'll do this thing together. And I'll let you know where we are in this process and how it's working for me. If I take any vitamins, if I do any supplements, if I do any exercising, I keep you updated. If you promise to stay with me. Deal? Deal. I'll hold you to it.